Today I'm going to take you through excretion in mammal. Under excretion in mammal, we have that is excretion in animal, the same. So mammal we have two categories. Mammals we have two categories. Category number one consists of birds, amphibians, and even reptiles. Under this, the excretory surface or organ is lung. The second category of mammal, we have human being. Under human being, we have three excretory organs. Number one, we have the skin. Skin is the largest excretory organ since it extends even in the openings. Inside the ear, we have the skin. Inside the nose, we have the skin. So it extends even in the opening. So it makes it to be the largest one. Number two, under human being, we have liver. Liver is the number two. After the skin. Then number three, we have the kidney. Kidney is smaller also as compared to this excretory organ in human being. Because there are four, today I'm going to start with the excretory organ specifically in reptiles, bird, or amphibian called lung. Lung is a excretory organ, as I said, in birds, reptiles, even in amphibians. How does excretion occur in the lung? Lung consists of very many air sacs called alveoli. They contain very many air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli consist of characteristics of respiratory surfaces. Number one, alveoli has a thin and elastic single epithelium layer. For what? To fasten the rate of diffusion. Number two, alveoli contains numerous blood capillaries below the epithelium. The blood capillaries contains high concentration of CO2 as compared to whatever is in the epithelium. So in blood capillaries below the epithelium, we have high concentration of CO2, whereas inside, as compared to this one. And this will cause what we call concentration gradient. As we all know that animals receives oxygen, then diffuse CO2 as a waste product or a byproduct. So one of the waste products for lungs is what we call CO2. So we want to know how CO2 is excreted from the lung of birds, reptiles, even amphibians. So we said that blood capillaries beneath or below the epithelium is having high concentration of CO2 than this whatever inside the epithelium. Even whatever inside the alveoli, inside the alveoli itself. So because of this CO2 concentration, high concentration of CO2, the concentration gradient is caused. And by diffusion, CO2 will diffuse inside the alveoli space. Because of from highly concentrated region to lowly concentrated region, CO2 will diffuse inside the alveoli space. And that CO2 will be excreted by the process known as exhalation. I think I've explained everything about it. I've just started by saying that it's caused by numerous number of alveoli. Those are air spaces in the lung. Then those air spaces are thin and elastic single layer of epithelium. And then beyond or below the epithelium, there is a blood capillaries, numerous blood capillaries, or large number of capillary network. And inside those blood capillaries, they contain highly concentrated CO2. They contain high concentration of CO2 as compared to whatever is inside the alveoli, since they surround the alveoli. By that, diffusion will occur. CO2 will move from highly concentrated region inside the blood capillaries inside to the alveolar space. When reach the alveolar space in the lung of bird, reptile, or amphibian, it's diffused, or the byproduct of CO2 is removed through what we call exhalation. And that is the end of the discussion. Ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch till the end, like, and even comment down section below. Thank you.